Ladies and gentlemen, round makofi ya Githua man. Round makofi ya Githua man.
Yes, ni mbaya wewe.
Anaingia ndo mondo hapo farodi. Wewe. Rogo leo ndio kina Igongona yako. Watafanya Igongona yako na kina wewe. Hela stage, hela. Zenga mbio. Wewe. Ino nengia. Matiri wengi kwa oratoria kwa matiri wengi. Ndiranoga. Nyita thimu ya mbere. Nyita thimu ya keri. Nyita ibuku. Nyita ibuku na area merisi. Nyita ibuku. Nyita thimu. Leo sio nyita thimu. Mwenye ndirenga. Wake mani. Wa matata. Ukaha wa matata. Eka wekira gakongira we. Eka ye kombo ile kila momi yathi. Akawa kongera. Akawa kongera we.
Ile muthiri. Ndio turakungwira hii. Ndu wage futo.
Atendo. Wa kwenda gufutwo we. Ndu nithira okira mwene indo we. Wanyitangi eno. Mayu hau.
Kaba joki nguo hando gufutwo.
Au ndirari gwatiriri. Andu othe megukuri. Mondona angi no suka maronga ri. Manyigirire ku. Akandu matari na thendi. When ukundete kindu we.
Nengia.
No nengia
ndio onake kwa naine.
Ngia ndu.
Haro muriega inyuothe. Wapi nduru ya Githua man?
Yes sir.
Ndinameigua wega. Wapi nduru ya Githua man? Njitagwo Kimani. Wĩra wakwa nĩ gwathĩka. Ona ngĩnjĩra njokie nguo ĩno ingĩcokia thaa ici njĩkĩre iria ingĩ ciakwa na ndũgagĩbute ũmũthĩ.
Wow.
Kwĩtĩkĩra ndĩgang'ithie iyo ina thuti ĩyo.
All right. Thank you so much. Makofi ya Githua man tafadhali. Wow, thank you so much. I want to recognize the partners. Congratulations, my brother. This is a great achievement, and we are so proud of you as content creators. Check what to aya. We are so proud of you as content creators. Na tukenete mono makiria ne gukorwo na ithui haha ũguo. But I know ni ukoragwo na mutumia. Ni ukoragwo na rũbarũ rwaku. Na rũbarũ rwaku nĩ rũkuharĩrĩirie kĩheo kĩrĩa gĩgũkũnengera nĩgetha tũkorwo tũgĩũka partners and friends arĩa mena ithenya wa ũmũthĩ. Tuweke ngoma mzuri ya mapenzi ya mapenzi tu ambayo imeandaliwa. Na hebu tuende sasa na brother. Mutumia waku agũbangĩire kĩheo kĩa mwanya na ena kio mũthenya wa mũthĩ. DJ twende kazi. Wacha tuone. Oka. Wanaitwa PK. Wapikelea Ngeraga goro. Ase. Beautiful. Wow. Shuka DJ. A hand of applause to Naomi Korea tafadhali. Wow, thank you so much. Yeah, Naomi Korea, you are my sister. We have come from far, and I was there when the journey began. I was there.
In short, unataka kusema wewe ndo uliwashikanisha?
Hapana.
Ulisimamia hii ndoa?
I want to say, I was there when the journey began, your content creation, alright, you have been doing so good. I want to say thank you so much for holding his hand. Please say something, please. Wow. Niongezee tafadhali sauti kwa hii microphone yangu.
Hi.
Hi.
Mkwaje?
Fiti.
Happy birthday, babe.
Okay, wandu
So, negenete muno mude. Mukira w'ibintu wothe, yani wothe. Nidwa Ivango. It's such an honor. As we celebrate you, we are so proud of you. Nakada teriyaki ya. Leo resi yake.
Longere pangu. Wow, thank you so much Naomi Kuria.
Yes,
thank you for kumshika mkono. We've been watching the journey. Me personally, I've known you for so many years, and I've seen the effort you put. I've seen the way you've been held his heart. And I say asante sana. Keep pushing. And of course, let us celebrate Naomi Kuria. She's a great content creator. Yes,
she does not only hold his hand.
Yes.
She also holds another hand.
Asante sana. I want to invite.
Adwa bisha gaka morore muno ni wandu one muthuri rarengerwo flowers. Hey, wabikelele happy birthday Githua man, from your wife to you, from your lovely wife to you. Wandu
shika DJ. Asante sana. Thank you so much Naomi Kuria.
Thank you.
I want to recognize the partners. Now kindly, if I mention your name, kindly come forward. I want to recognize Pajo wa Nairobi Kwakajo.
Pajo.
I want to recognize them.
All right.
Thank you so much for the love and support. I want to recognize Mr. Kirago for the love and support you've shown to our brother. Would I recognize Modowetu Elibo wa Elibo Media.
Utaendelea gikonyerani. Kindly itubwendete muno ndio wa content, lakini tuko live pale. Kuna watu